If you want to know how to quickly get a six-pack, you first need to understand that ABS are not built overnight. But with the right strategy, you can reveal them much faster than you think. Most people spend hours doing endless crunches, thinking that's the secret. But here's the truth. ABS are made in the kitchen, not just the gym. You already have abdominal muscles. They're just hidden under a layer of fat. So your first goal is not to build ABS, but to reveal them. Start with your diet. Eliminate the foods that make you bloated or store fat. That means cutting out sugar, junk food, fried snacks, and processed carbs like white bread and soda. Instead, focus on lean protein sources such as eggs, chicken, fish, and Greek yogurt. Add fiber-rich foods like vegetables, oats, and fruits in moderation. Drink at least 3 liters of water per day because hydration helps burn fat faster and keeps your core tight. Next comes training. Forget spending an hour doing crunches. Instead, use high-intensity interval training. These short, explosive workouts burn more fat in less time. For example, combine exercises like mountain climbers, burpees, jump squats, and planks. Then add core-focused movements like hanging leg raises, bicycle crunches, and off rollouts to strengthen and sculpt your midsection. Do this 4 to 5 times a week, and you'll start to see definition forming. But here's the key: consistency and rest. Your muscles need time to recover and grow, so make sure you get enough sleep and avoid overtraining. Stay disciplined with your food and workouts for 4 to 6 weeks, and you'll start noticing your ABS becoming visible. Remember, a six-pack is not just a look. It's a lifestyle built on discipline, focus, and smart training.